Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make funnel cake using a simple pancake mix. First, gather your ingredients: pancake mix, milk, eggs, and a touch of vanilla extract. You'll also need a deep pot for frying, a whisk for mixing, and a wire rack to drain your delicious creations. This method is incredibly easy and yields fantastic results, perfect for a fun treat at home. Now let's get mixing. In a bowl, combine 2 cups of your favorite pancake mix with 1 cup of milk. Next, crack in 1 large egg and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra flavor. Whisk everything together thoroughly until your batter is smooth and completely lump-free. This consistency is key for perfect funnel cakes. It's time for the fun part: frying. Heat about 3 inches of oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour your prepared batter into a funnel or a squeeze bottle. Then, drizzle the batter into the hot oil in a circular, overlapping motion to form your funnel cake shape. Fry each side for 1 to 2 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown. Once fried, carefully remove your funnel cakes and place them on a wire rack to drain any excess oil. Now for the best part: serving. Dust them generously with powdered sugar, or get creative with your favorite toppings like fruit, whipped cream, or chocolate sauce. This easy method creates delicious homemade treats everyone will love. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.